NASA Extreme Environment Mission Operations, NEMO for short, are missions that astronauts conduct underwater. We conducted about 60 feet underwater. We have a lab that we rent off of Key Largo called Aquarius. That what we do is then a crew dives 60 feet in scuba gear underwater, and then we get into this laboratory. It's a dry environment, and what we do is we simulate a lunar mission there, or we can simulate any type of mission, a Martian mission, lunar mission, or even just a space mission. And in there, what we do is we have equipment and we're able to conduct experiments similar to if we were on the moon. And on top side, we have a mission control center, so we're communicating, so everybody is behaving as if it's a real mission. And then periodically, we'll put on our spacesuits and we'll conduct lunar walks on the bottom of the ocean. And we'll construct satellites, we'll do surveying, we'll get samples. Everything that we would do on the moon or on Mars, we would do on the bottom floor of the ocean. So it allows us to basically learn a lot about being away from Earth, away from other people, confined in a closed space and conducting a real mission. And it's under an extreme environment because you're on a saturated dive. So anything happens, you cannot go to the surface from 1 minute to the other because you're saturated. There's a process that takes about 24 hours that you have to go through to get back up to the surface. So it's a high stakes environment that simulates the high stakes of being on the moon or on Mars, and it allows us to develop the skills and necessary to effectively be able to execute a mission once it really happens.